Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 12X, and today I'll show you how you can import your contacts from the SIM card to the device. So to get started, you'll want to open up your contacts application. I do have a different launcher, so for me it's somewhere right here. Once you locate your contacts, tap on it 3 bars, navigate into the settings, and then select import from the bottom. And here choose SIM card. And this will show you all the contacts that are on the SIM card. By default, they will all be selected. If you have some contacts already that are the same ones that are on the card, they will be checked off and also grayed out, so you cannot select them again. And the device is basically stopping you from creating duplicate contacts. That's fine. And anyway, anything that you have selected, you can then select import from the top, which will import obviously all the selected contacts. Now it does ask you this stupid question if you want to remove the contacts, remove them from SIM card. I probably wouldn't agree, or not agree, but recommend doing so, because if you reset your device, your contacts will be lost. So if you keep your contacts on the SIM card as a kind of like a safe, so you have always accessible contacts whatever you pop the card into, like I said, I don't recommend doing that because of that. So from there, once you have chosen to either keep or remove your contacts, you can then find those contacts in your contacts list, which we do have to go into device, I believe. Nope, we're already in device. So there we go. Right here it kind of duplicates them, just because it pops the SIM card and the device apparently. It's still, let me quickly see why isn't it showing the actual device contacts. There we go. I just needed to restart the application. So there we go. These are all on the device. And I can switch between where you pull the contacts from right over here by tapping on this button. So we have device, we have SIM card, and also if you're logged into your Google account as an example, this will also be an option right here. But anyway, this is how you would import your contacts. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.